Welcome to the installation video of Hoymiles HB1023 SG2 series. This video consists of 5 chapters: preparation, product overview, installation operation, electrical connection, and monitoring registration. You can refer to the user manual if you need more information. Before installation, ensure that the battery pack is turned off, and any associated circuit breakers and disconnect switches are turned off. And all installations must be performed in accordance with local electrical standards and the National Electrical Code. Now, let's take a look at what you need to prepare before installation. The following tools and materials are recommended in the installation process. Personal protective equipment should be worn when operating the equipment. Then please check whether the high-voltage battery accessories are complete. Before we start, let's take a look at the ports on this battery, for better understand the installation process. These ports are all in front of the device. From the left to the right, DC switch, positive terminal, negative terminal, PCS communication terminal, reserve terminal for the communication, Wi-Fi, PE terminal. Now, we can start the installation. We have to install the battery control box. Firstly, fix bracket A on the back of the control box. Then fix bracket B on the lower left quarter of the control box. Next is to install bracket B and bracket C together on the upper left of the pack B back. Finally, install the related brackets on battery pack A for connection. After the bracket installation, we can find a proper place for the device. The handles are used to lift the pack off the ground and move it, and place pack B on a level ground, parallel to the wall, and keep a distance of at least 20 millimeters. It is time to add mult batteries packs. Install pack A, align the connector first, then slowly put down the connector end of pack A until the connector ends of the 2 packs are successfully connected. The remaining battery packs can be stacked layer by layers. It should be noticed that the quantity of pack A should be 2 to 5. Then, install the control box on top of the battery pack A. Engineers can mark the hole position on the wall. Drill the hole on the wall with a diameter of 6 mm and a depth of 90 mm using a hammer drill. Place the anchor into the hole. Insert the M6 screw into the anchor. Don't forget to fix each battery one by one. Use M4 screws to secure brackets B and C on the battery and control box respectively. If you cannot align the screw hole, loosen the lower screw on the bracket C, adjust the bracket C up and down, and then tighten the screws. Now, let's come to the electrical connection. Firstly, you should install the ground cable. Use a M4 screw to secure the connection. Then, we have to connect the battery red and black connectors to battery positive and negative ports. Another side battery positive and negative will connect to the inverter battery terminal battery positive and negative. Then take out the communication cable. Connect to the battery communication port 1 and hybrid inverter BMS port separately. Turn the left switch on. The battery HB1023 SG2 will turn on. The round blue light indicates the battery is running well. HB1023 SG2 installation complete. Now, we will show you the power flow of the energy storage system via the S-Miles app. First, open the S-Miles installer app and enter the account and password. Tap the plant you want to view to enter the plant overview page. You can see the current flow between the PV, grid, battery, and loads. You can also see the battery SOC below the battery icon. You can master the charging and discharging status of the battery and the load consumption based on the current flow. That's all about this video. Thanks for watching.